The filter liner provides the first level of filtration, acting as a barrier to contain dirt and debris inside the canister for dry use only. HydroPro's HEPA-rated filters are available as optional add-ons for dry use only, providing efficient retention of fine dust particles with a filtration level of 99.99% down to 0.3 microns. The foam filter cover is the second stage of filtration in the HydroPro series and acts to protect the motor from residual dust and debris lodging in the float mechanism. The HydroPro vacuums have the option of using an additional disposable sealed SMS or paper dust bag to provide an additional level of filtration, better dust retention, and easy disposal, leaving rooms with cleaner air. These dust bags are for dry use only. Please remove any sealed dust bags when wet vacuuming. The commercial-grade European 1200-watt bypass motor provides strong power, giving the user enhanced machine performance. The HydroPro 36 is fitted with an 8-metre commercial power cord for easy manoeuvrability and extra reach. The 2.5-metre hose with a 38mm connection features a simple push-fit machine end connector designed for a convenient reach. The 38mm 2-piece chrome wand is designed with a push-fit connection, is hard-wearing and easy to store. The machines come with one bent and one straight-piece wand for ergonomic use. This 300mm floor tool body suits any 38mm vacuum wand and is fitted with an easy-to-use release locking system that allows convenient switching of inserts for either dry or wet vacuuming. For an effective clean, pull in a backwards motion. The floor tool brush insert features a design unique to the PacVac HydroPro range for use with a 300mm wide floor tool body. It features fine nylon bristles for gently sweeping and collecting stubborn dust and dirt from hard floors. The squeegee floor tool insert is for use with a 300mm wide floor tool body and features a design unique to PacVac's HydroPro range. It features a rubberized squeegee blade that creates a seal with the hard floor and sucks the liquid into the vacuum. For an effective clean, pull in a backwards motion. The 38mm crevice tool is slender shaped with an angular tip, allowing users to clean narrow spaces like skirting boards, door trims and window ledges.